Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see IEC 61850 driver. To know more about IEC 61850 driver, navigate to Process Manager window. Click on Process, Add Remove Process. Click on plus icon, search LT IEC 61850 client. Click on Open. Click on Save and Close. Go to Process and click on Start All. Now, navigate to IDE window. Go to System, Driver, IEC 61850. Click on plus icon and enter the device name. Enter the IP address, port number and driver instance. Do the advanced settings. Enter the client and server details. If authentication is required, check the authentication box and enter the password. Tick the Enable checkbox and click on Save. Now, go to System, Driver, IEC and select IEC 61850 Engineering. Select the device name from Devices list. Tick the Offline checkbox under Browse Settings. Click on three dots and add ICD file under SCL path. Click on Save. Click on Search icon and navigate to Data Sets tab. This allows you to view all the dataset members present for any given dataset for any browsed device. Now navigate to Report Control block. Click on Select RCB option. By clicking the Append button, users can select individual reports from the master RCB list. By clicking the Multiple Append button, users can select and add all reports from the master RCB list at once. Click on Save. Two types of report control blocks exist. First is Buffered Report Control Block, that is, BRCB. It stores event data temporarily to ensure no data is lost during communication interruptions. It supports sequence of events, that is SOE functionality, making it reliable for critical data logging. Second one is Unbuffered Report Control Block, URCB. It sends event data immediately without buffering. If the connection is unavailable or slow, some data may be lost. It operates on a best effort basis. The standard permits multiple clients to connect to the same IED, however, it does not allow multiple clients to subscribe to the same report instance. To enable report access for multiple clients, multiple instances of report control blocks, indexed report control blocks, are provided. You can enable any report by simply setting the Enable Report checkbox to True under Commands. In order to disable the report, you simply need to uncheck this flag and save the configuration. Click on Save and close the window. Again open the window from System, Driver, IEC, IEC 61850 Engineering. Select the RCB name. Tick the trigger option and optional field. Enable reports under Commands. Click on Close. Open the tag editor using shortcut Ctrl+T. Select desired object. Right-click on selected tag and click on Insert Config, then Channel Setting. Select the device type as IEC 61850 client. Navigate to Channel Setting tab. Select the device name. Go to Select Tag option, select the desired tag. Tick the Enable checkbox. Click on Save and Close. IEC 61850 client device configuration is done.
Thank you for watching.